Thought I'd just show you guys one of my current projects, laying a piece of hedgerow here. So as you can see, it's quite tall stuff. It's been left to grow. There's bits and pieces in there. Some field maple, some hawthorn, a lot of blackthorn as well. Sloe bushes. But yeah, this is where I've got up to so far. Yeah, it's coming along. Still got quite a bit to do. Going to go up to probably another 50 yards. But yeah, nice little project. Hopefully it'll grow out nicely in the winter, in the summer. Yeah. I thought I'd just show you guys what I've been up to.